Welcome to Frocks and Frolics tutorials and sewing patterns. With every sewing pattern, here the example is the beautiful Virginia top. You get instructions from beginning to end, from choosing your fabric, putting your pattern together, which incidentally every pattern has its own file, so no layering and no funny multiple lines that you don't know where to go to. You get these beautiful close-ups so you can really see what's going on and follow along with the video to make your top and really learn how to sew from a professional. I am Marina and I'm a professional tailor, and I've been in the business for over 30 years. Working for high-end fashion companies for many years, you actually learn so many tips and tricks to pass on to make sure that your sewing doesn't look homemade. And as you can see here, we are finishing the beautiful Virginia tunic, which you can make in jersey, you can make it in all sorts of fabrics. Actually, anything goes for this one. Just make sure that you interface that yoke. And it looks absolutely stunning, as you can see here. We've got some linen examples. And these girls truly love their tunic. It's got that asymmetrical closure, so that's different. You've got beautiful sleeves which are just turned up and have elastication in them. And then I also show you how to keep the ribbon at the same level all the way around. Bye for now.